trying to be a YouTuber, but I can't figure out where to say. I'm trying to be a YouTuber, but I am not very good at it apparently. Yeah. So we're gonna go for a drive. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So this is really awkward. So let me turn on my Spotify. Okay. I don't exactly know how loud this is gonna be or anything. I'm trying to decipher if that's my dad, but I don't think it is. And also, like, this part of my dash is right there. I guess I can scoot. Oh, I can't scoot. Okay. Okay, Miss Girl. Oh, okay. So we're going for a drive. We have my boys. Hi. Oh, didn't turn all the way on. We're gonna see how long this setup lasts, because I feel it's not gonna be very long. I'm also not a very good driver. For context clues. But just a little bit further. Okay. My car's name is Trish, so if you hear me talking to Trish, you can always see my passenger seat is empty because I don't have any friends. So, I don't know if I want to do like a drive with me and like hear my music, because it's all One Direction and solo One Direction. So that's awkward. That's a bit intense. Oh, and the speed limit is 15. I'm doing 25. But the real tea is, like I said, I'm not a good driver, but I did clean my car today, so maybe that gives me driving points. And I noticed that like one of my little tire things is broke, and I think it's when I ran off the road the other day. So I'm not quite sure what to do about that. Also, I keep forgetting to go pay my Spotify premium, and I just remembered it again. So here, oh no, we're looking at the wall. Okay. Nope, what did I do? I think if I hit this side. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't working apparently. Let's see. I'm about to be at a stop sign. I'm already not a good driver, so this really ain't my deal right here. And this ain't my phone, because my phone is hooked up to the aux. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, so this isn't working very well. I'm gonna pull up in this church parking lot up here. Yeah. I'm pulling this parking lot and try to figure out a good spot for my camera. Because I want to be a vlogger, but this obviously is not working out for me. Hello, church parking lot. Okay. Bam. Okay, so I have this phone thing, but it's like good for vertical stuff. Oops. It's not good for horizontal stuff. See, whenever I put it in the phone thing, you're looking at my roof. And I don't know how to change that. Like, I don't even really know how to work this phone stand. I got it at Dollar Tree. Oh, that's such a good one. So, I have my brakes on. So you can look at my eyes. Like if it would sit right there. I mean that's crooked, but it's the idea, right? It's like OCD. Like I really don't want to bother anyone with OCD. Oh, it's gonna come out. I'm sorry y'all looking at my crusty hand. We're gonna put some lotion on that baby. Yeah, we're gonna put some lotion on that baby. It might have to be crooked. Oh, that is my alarm to journal. I can't forget. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set an alarm for 6 p.m. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna drive with my phone crooked. I did check my blind spot. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay guys. Okay. This ain't working out. I'm sorry I have to end our relationship so soon. Peace out though. I'm gonna just drive around, I guess. Bye.